All right, garage door fans, so let's get some context here. There's the forklift, there's the door. So this is a 14 high door in those top two sections. So RL, it's 17. There's a 24 and a 1 foot panel there. So we're gonna put us a Liftmaster trolley on there. Take care of this.
3 feet.
All right, so we are up in the air about 17 feet, RL. There's a beam here.
Good.
It's up because they've got the beam and they need to get it above it. That's where the operator's attached to. So we're gonna go ahead and put that up on there.
Yep.
There's a view though.